We need to discuss something important. No, not meow. Think. Unbelievable. Why is it screaming in my house? Bah! That's aggressive. I will call someone. Stop touching everything. This is a mating. That's not an answer. I regret inviting you. Why are you wearing that face? Are you undercover? Don't sniff me like that. I know my rights. This is intimidation. Let me like that.
Don't chirp at me. That's disrespectful. This is why humans don't trust you. Okay, I'm ending this meeting.